kuro mu a wo mu a wo the MP or that day where His Excellency John Dramani Mahama second term, the second coming of John. Now mo be here nim san where do. Where do you swear? And a hope for I maburu no amushe omukutupa no mumu bi hwe omukutupa say wo mo entra kroma no mo ntata ankrofo. Look, I understand say esiye tie me ye esi pen enti nka obi beka so you do me I do you, God no go vex. Basa ujiji taso a edu ba bi eta na be mo wan kasa bacha me yenti wundidi me wan ai ujiji taso a what e na ye na asa o so na asa o fele o pesa o tra o bi na asa o mo to bi ni ade the way about sue him no one real one kasa o kola pass ebi ni ye na president amato aban yi no na mo ankasa mu ye say ditia no eye yey president makatira musa na John Dramani Mahama nyamo kuna mtu abama no John Dramani Mahama ane enyamo kuna mtu abade ma no ane 56 or 57 no onya no enyamo nko nti e dia mutire ni hwe hofu ei mo pese mo buy appointment na mo nkwai Monko Facebook ayo 95.1 FM de kaya wo Facebook videos ahodo wo mo hyehye ties ye e wo monten so mabunu no ai NDC mabunu no ene wo mo na kire de ye nyi no wo mo ne ye ka wo NDC mabunu no a wo mate e so wo mo nti dai ye na esi a wo my appointment ya mo bi wo ho nti wo bubu afu wo mo kwa party office de wo mo tere he ye di pianka we eyo mampanyine nya abotre magana fo bia taamati wo watidie wo mampanyine ni mu John Dramani Mahama munti e na akoto abama no wo ye appointment ya wo nwie yepo na wo betre na appointment no said onye no na wo kire wadwene kura se bia den na mo anyi wo mo nkrafo ni bia wakopeda e de ato eye time wo se tie e wo kwa ho what are you telling Ghanaians? Are you trying to tell Ghanaians or more to about woman NDC for to John Dramani Mahama? Essay manifesto ni GDA woman when Muswa, one remedy Ghana, so Sabre ya watch the ya kwam de economy ninko ye, and Yama and to toy ye, Yaman koye to say 24-hour economy, no bet me abwa, Maganda, Mabuna, Momo Peduma Yenti, Matu Abadia, my John Dramani Mahama, Mubaba ye, and the Atrano, another Namopatre. It's a shit. Na ebi dranchanu omo susoso an. Fafo wi anya mate omo tata omo. Na kwabrania kwa ye stadium no wa twe dua o say etu o say de yo. Na kwade egu anu apam omo. Na omo akopiem awo aban institutions ahodo. Na ya stop omo da no mete 2M Express. 2M Express. Former member of Parliament. Ya wanya ne ba bi kura. Bant my former member of Parliament wanya ne ba bi kura. What let me say? Also what they say? Chama boade. Sekasa to do nti be we na bia for ani so. Yero chama boade de na make kai. Na wo mo boawura o chama boade the late the offices wo mo to wo adan railways for asase a wo mo de ama wo so wo mpodwe kakra no wo fa nya adwuma asase no wo mo de. Yes wo chama boade ye dwaye the toilet e wo eye because obi abefa ka wunim e bia dwonso be de no yade na ye meka no enu no so wo mo take over ade obi adwuma o we private job na buy podie na say adwuma ni si railways ya buy adwuma asase so nti wo mo agbo awura wo so wo mo de eya asase ni tu won tu di kan nsi na pampem na ofa driving go group na dayo no ni sika ye no so wo ma tia sa je toilet na ka ye ka na muntia Ghana for hwe o Ghana for wo mo wani wo mo hwe ebe ya o say nei na wa bayaba eya o say nei wa bayaba nti de open na abaye. In fact, even sometimes when you see the posture of some of the MPs The posture of some, I'm not saying all. If a tribunal say a pre no mo pre, and rameti obi catch them say campaign mu, a juma ni padi ye. One name penny phobia ye, and a joe, a yo, a homachi, or friend, and that's our fact. What I said, they were my block, woman, I say, not by a ba. I say, we're being a person, one more pray, and no more yet, Jumano, one must start a block, one says, Monsieur, when the politicians there, Sabi, who might you said, yeah, do more. The name said, yeah, bomb must start at the mental faculties in the city, yeah, no. Because it didn't say, more man from a crown for support must start here, you mutru colors and from Manfaso, immediately the power comes, people's behavior, attitude, everything changes because I had to say 4 years and 10 years. A former government appointees, one who's you said your mom draw. Said ya woman draw been to me Casa Okroma. The Aquaswin been to me Kayaka by this time, press conference left, right, center. Said your mama paid your mama Betty, who are more crum craters. Who would the Aquaswa? A big crying young man, Piemont Timpo, and Mount Radio so Macassa Bium. You are not men anymore. Because to me, a safety to me, a safety pet, not as a what you went so. And not safety, the annual didn't say ya. A drew baby, and now I could draw crack. Still no woman die almost sorry you muguso so die. And tis a waba na ban woman obi to me say one shana near my enquire. I bind your castle or bay and were fresh your gray yebi. Appointments of ministers 14 days and now we cabinet ministers when we Akadiaka deputies near there or Yankai. CEOs be and ragra woman my auntie. The fear my pass 7,000. I'm saying, Nagana, you man do Sanat, sir. Any about you, but also 7,000 appointees. And to be so, about you, not to her. You're not quite one of them, Jay. Because I'm not Donald Trump will take you over here. And what they want in Kwa, more year, White House, say, will be a year, Jumabia, or Mususa, one in a Juman and a Jensen, the Unquaswa. So, yeah, a normal person. So, yeah, appointee, a Biden, the fire war, said, yea, warrior night, Juman, or more, you have not heard them who Suban not game far. Vamos, come on. America, there that democracy. Yeah, Juma. Baby, a democracy. Yeah, you free. Donald Trump was everybody in Jubilee. Will be Mr. Jubilee. White House will be our one night. Usha ni power. That pamo monyas and you want to Jubilee or Crana? Wow, himself one casano. Quite fast about where how. And say, I buy that and I don't buy it, and there be a choir fast you where you money, and time will be my catch or circle. Now, when you know, a president will now appoint to you. Akabia will go so ye, and Raggy Hawk the salaries, my former president, Nasi. Former President Nasi Kofi Juma Maxwell Kofi Juma Nasi send the Baba Warren Kofi Juma Babema Urefi one kind yema one said that the woman said that Mua refer bibi kitwe bi no refi enti ya see kai wo na to be kind near maybe one no say nra so my na didi obi fofra kwaso woman you be fofra kwaso na ho mrantie NDC mrantie mo paja mo si ho na mo wi aban no sika no obi ni ho no a wo hwe kwan say ye behwe kwan a ntotoye ne ade be hye mu nei even first year school fees kura no ye nya hunu be be fira ba o first years yeah university yeah wo admission fee His Excellency John Mahama Appointments vet ye bisa ye rahanu na drusu what say wo for wo de wo atua anya hwe wo beba be apply for refund ye nya hunu time o metua ene bre beba enu akura beto dwa say free SHS no kura na His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo kai wo ba ba mu starting in September enu amami ya muso am peka say wonim ka say
do you
muso wonim ka say ya mo ma tenenka e mo MPs bi brofo no de e asemo e mai e to ne bi am muni confidence and man am muni you don't have mountain medicine you don't have tenacity and strong. Yes, mountain medicine. You don't have some. Even if they are appreciating somebody who has gone through vetting, how they are going about it.